Want to become a millionaire by mastering Canva? Imagine harnessing the power of this simple yet potent tool to create stunning designs. With Canva, the path to substantial earnings is well within your grasp. Stay tuned, because the journey to your millionaire dream starts now. First things first, what is Canva? Canva is an online design platform adored by digital creators for its user-friendly interface and vast array of templates. It's a tool that turns ideas into stunning visuals, making design accessible to everyone. Now that you know what Canva is, let's dive into how you can master it. Getting started with Canva is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, create an account. It's quick, easy, and free. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the design dashboard. Here, you can navigate to different sections like designs, templates, and elements. Each has its unique uses, from creating fresh designs to using pre-made templates to adding fun elements to your work. Customizing your design is as easy as a click and drag. With these basics, you are now ready to explore the limitless possibilities on Canva. Mastering Canva is like learning a new language, but much easier and more fun. Think of templates as your vocabulary, ready to be customized and made your own. Designs? They're your sentences, telling unique stories through visuals. And Canva's tools and features? They're your grammar rules, guiding you to create compelling content. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix things up a bit. The more you play around, the better you'll get. With regular practice, you'll be a Canva pro in no time. Now, let's talk about the millionaire dream. Mastering Canva isn't just about enhancing your design skills. It's about unlocking a world of income-generating opportunities. Imagine yourself doing freelance design work, managing social media accounts, creating captivating content, and more, all thanks to your newfound Canva prowess. These aren't just jobs, they're stepping stones on your path to financial success. So what are you waiting for? Start using Canva today and work towards your millionaire dream.